It did not happen izolo ngavuka ngathi ngiyayiquit. I'm not shaken by anything that is happening or being said about me on social media. It is my decision. Anyone who's close to me, they will tell you when did I start thinking about it and when did I start seeking answers. I prayed about it. I'm so surprised to see lenti kosi havoc kini, but it's not a problem. My ancestors are very much happy. My ancestors are very much supporting me. It is a problem that you guys want me to align indlela yami ngendlela yenu. It's my journey. It's my calling. Let me stand firm on it. Because nanoma ngiqala lento bungoma angimemanga muntu.
Ukuthi sifanele but usho kanjalo uyibona ina problem. Okay.
Ngicela ukukhuluma.
Njani? Ithi ngicela ukukhuluma lethi kancane.
Alright.
Njani Mpumi?
Ngiyaphila njani sisi?
Ngiyaphila. Asinankinga thina nobungoma bakho ukuthi ubulahlile. Asinankinga nokuthi ukhethe enye indlela asinayo iproblem. Mina ngifuna ukufakazela umkhulu uhlungwane lento engiyikhuluma kuyo. You once disclosed imfihlo yobungoma.
Which is what?
Mhlamba awukhumbula ukukhuluma ngokuthi idlozi alikho. Idlozi alikho lento eyenziwayo angazi ama-video asasekhona ama-video
Ninamanga guys, ninamanga. Inkinga yenu ninama hearsay. I never said idlozi alikho. I said calling namadlozi. You shouldn't. You don't listen to me to understand. I've been preaching ukuthi idlozi akusiyona into yakhayikini, i-calling yakho musuku ihlanganisa nesintu sakho. Nina ningilalela ukuphendula, aningilaleli uku-understand. Ngithe idlozi has nothing to do with isintu sakho. Akusiyona into yakhayikini, into ebhekene nebizo lakho. Musuku ihlanganisa. That is secret. Yi-secret leyo.
Ngicela wazani gogo yazi mina ngicela ukubuza la
ngicela sikhithe nithi ngikhiphile mina because
ngicela ukubuza something. Okay
ngicela ukukhuluma
kancane
ungama umhlaba.
Kunjani Ntumi?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila Dali, ngiyakuzwa uyakhuluma ne, and njengoba kuvulwe ipanel we were not having a discussion ngawe, besingakhulumi, besikhuluma izinto wena bawuzisho ngowakho umlomo ne. So mina into engisho ukuthi uthe wena ubungoma is a cult, ungasho ukuthi ubungoma ithi ubungoma bami, because mawuthi ubuzangoma include wonke umuntu. Ithi wena ubungoma bami is a cult, maybe wena kunezinto bawuzenza ithi ngikhuluma ngizokhuluma umkhulu sikangeni, maybe wena kunezinto bawuzenza. So I reason ukuthi uBlamana avula live nami ngangena, I'm the first person okungena la, hayi ukuthi besikhuluma ngawo, besikhuluma ngento ukuthi we don't have a problem usikhotheni makathi uyabiyeka ubunyanga and so forth. Wayicala uyi1 nempande nami ngina 12 years ngithwasile, ngacala ukuba ugobela ngisacade ukuphuma ephehlweni, ngina 12 years ngithwasile, ngina 12 years ngugobela, but angeke ngivesane ngithi mengifuna ukuyeka ubunyanga ngithi ubungoma yi-cult. Angikusikhulumele mina ngithi ubungoma bami was a cult. Ima kancane ngifuna ukuthi mina nawe siphendulane yabona, because I see ukuthi abanye maybe bayasaba ukuyisho lento mina ngizoyisho. Ungathi ubungoma ithi mina ubungoma bami was a cult, or wena uthi kunezinto bengizenza manje I feel ukuthi ubungoma bami manje ze cult ngifuna ukuyehla lento, or noma wena uthi ubungoma bami bebudark or kanjani. Remember ukuthi baningi abantwana bagulayo, remember ukuthi baningi abantu ukuthi bayalapha ngokweqiniso, which we appreciate into oyenzile, basizile abantu ngokweqiniso, walapha abantu ngamakhokhu ngama-Fanta Orange bayaphila, but futhi uzobuya uthi iyenzani leyo Fanta Orange ayisebenza, abona ukuthi wena kwawena abantu.
Okay, ngicela ukukhuluma
usho into ngowakho umlomo bese uyayijika at the same point.
Ngiyabonga Kokoza Nemvula.
Thokoza. Ngumaza Nemvula, ngisuza Nemvula, maza Nemvula, ayuza Nemvula, kunoza Nemvula nomaza Nemvula.
Okay gogo.
Thokoza.
Ngizothi gogo nje.
Thokoza amen.
Azange ngithi ubungoma it's a cult manje. Ngithe ubungoma it's a cult ngiseseyisangoma. And nina nididwa ile gama elithi cult. Bengicela nithatha amafoni amanye uma ngabe ninawo or abantu abakuphathele bagugule yimasithando asingaphendula njengoba busho. Please guys, can you on the comment section can you please Google the word cult before ugogo aphakamelwa izwe? Can you Google? Yeah, isaxoxa sixoxeni. Can you Google the word cult? Ngoba nina nithatha i-cult le enicabangayo bese niyalwa nilwela phezu kwento eningakho show ngayo. Ngicela ni-Google the word cult. Guys, please do in the comment
Mina
section.
ngicela bangichazele indaba ye-Dark
Ngicela
Kingdom.
ukukhuluma ngiqede babe. Ngicela ukukhuluma ndla ngamandla. Hayi ngamagabhade manje. Bengicela ukugoogle the word cult. Bese siyakhuluma phezulu on that. And the word cult ngikhulume ngisese nenqwaba yamathwazi. The word cult ngikhulume ngisese ugobela ngikhuluma ngamanje njengoba senyekile isikhwama. Asicorrectaneni lapha. Asilungisaneni. Ngikhulume nge-cult last year. Ngikhulume nge-cult the year before last. Hayi manje ningahlanganisi izinto. Asilungisaneni. Manje ayikho intutuma ekhulumile ngobumngoma embi utuma uthuyehla iqala yini kuze kenziwe ama panel pho.
No man to
Google ima ngicela ukuqeda khehla. Ngicela ukuqeda engangenani
yeah
emphumeni.
man bengisafuna
Ngicela kugugulwe kuthiwa it's a system. Yezwa umuthi wena mina I must just say into bengiyenza i-cult ubungoma is a cult. Put it on the table and tell me if I'm wrong. This is what Google says. It's a system of religious,
okay
right? Religious generation directed towards a particular figure or object. So
Dlamini
ebungomeni buhlangane kugonke. There are rituals that are being done, and I'm not saying it's bad rituals. Show me where did I say it's bad rituals? I'm not saying it's bad rituals.
Thokozani.
There are things that are being done.
No, ningambheshini guys do not bash her.
Man, guys, respect and Thokozani.
Yabona, this is the reason why. Niyatelela and nitelela nizentelela abantu abawrong. Mina I'm not shaken. Noma ungathi idlozi angisenalo noma ungenzani ngiyazazi indaba zami and ngiyazimela. Nizogcina ngokukhuluma nenze ama panel. I've accepted God and you live with that. You will not come and disrespect me for a good decision that I took.
Lalela.
Angikhulumi ngani and ningavufuni.
sinenkinga uma uthi
I am
do not bash guys. Uyekelele after ukukhuluma. Guys, nginikeze chance ukukhuluma kuphela.
I will stand to what I believe in.
so we don't have any problem
Ungathi you, ungathi we. Sibale wedwa
Ngithi Dlamini okay mina I don't have any problem Dlamini
mina nawe sihloniphene. Ngicela ningangibangeli umsindo. And lo othi uDlamini amazi nokuthi uDlamini ubani
hayi
uDlamini.
man ngungo
And I'll forever carry that same name. Don't speak about something you don't understand.
Guys, manini man. Guys, mamelani. Lalelani. Please, ngicela sihloniphaneni ne. Okay, mina ngisho khona ukuthi nawe, ngisho nawe ukuthi bakuhloniphe ne.
Lalela
ngicela ukubuza umbuzo mina.
Kamahlaba Mpande ithi ngicela ukuyibamba short ngithi Mpande ungathi ngiyakudelela.
Yeah.
Ngicela ukunitshela into eyodwa. Ngicela ningathatha ama short video enwabona namhlanje about ama video engawayenza 2 years ago bese nihlanganisa into engikhethe manje bese niyenza umthwalo wami. Ngithi ubungoma is a cult 2 years ago ngiseseyisangoma. Ngithi ibungoma is a cult 3 years ago ngiseseyisangoma. Ngithe ubungoma it's a cult last year ngiseseyisangoma. Azange ngithi ubungoma it's a cult right now. Those who were watching my life I said njoba ngehla angifuni ukukhuluma ngabe ngobungoma and angeke ngize ngikhulume ngabe ngobungoma. I still stand firm. I respect i-decision yenu. Respect my decision. You don't have a right
ngicela ukubuza umbuzo oyi-1.
how to be loud about loving God. I love God. Let's stick to that. Ngibiyekile ubunyanga. Respect that. Let's respect each other. Going on forward, I will not say anything bad about you guys because I'm not trying to recruit. Izafika into engifikele mina akusinto emele understandwe yini ifikele mina ngedwa kampani kuleyo department. Amen.
Ngicela ukubuza into eyi-1 before uyehla gogo ne. Ngicela ukubuza nje into eyi-1. Ngizwe lama uqala khona uthi wena ilokhuzana ubizo lolu umoya engasiwona wakini nanani. Wena kusho ukuthi uthwase umuntu ongasiyena wakini. uDlamini ubani?
uDlamini ugogo wami.
Ugogo wakho. But I'm going back to the point mawuthi wena and lento it has nothing to do with abantu basekhaya kithi. How does that mix phakathi kokuthi ihlangana kanjani manje ngoba uDlamini lo usuyangichazela ukuthi ugogo wakho yet wena you come again and say uDlamini lo moya lo umoya ongahlangani nabantu basekhaya kithi. Sicela ukuthi explain lapho ngoba abantu bethu manje labo sishiya nabo bayalahleka endleleni ensuthi wena lento i-gift it doesn't do anything nabantu bakini. Ngicela ukuthi ungilulele lapho mntana sekhaya.
Asikhulumisaneni kanje. Okokuqala ngifuna ukuthi ningangithathi kabi before ngiyaphambili. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi wena njengoba umkhulu Mpande igama lakho ne sharp. Bengicela ukubuza nje ngenkulu futhi inhlonipho. Ukhona umkhulu Mpande ekini ongasekho owashona. Igama lakhe
Angizwa.
Ukhona umkhulu Mpande bathi uMpande, umkhulu Mpande ongasekho owashona ekhayini.
No, le akusigama lami leli gama lami lamadlozi nginyalaza.
Ngibuza lokho thanda sami ukuthi lelo gama lamadlozi ngiyena umkhulu.
Ya ukhona. No, mana ngicane ngamandla ngicela ukukhuluma naye sithu.
Ngifundisa sifundisaneni nami ngifuna ukufunda.
Mina ngicela ungiphendule before ungibuza, ngicela ungiphendule kuqala wena. Uthi wena lento le akusiyinto yasekhaya kithi, right?
Yes.
It has nothing to do with but mina ngiyamangala mawuthi wena usikhotheni insizwa kaDlamini. Uhlangana kanjani usikhotheni insizwa kaDlamini ukuthi wena uthi ayihlangani nesibongo sakho ne-lineage yakho?
Ngicela ukuphendula. Lento oyikhulumayo, you have a very valid point. However, I must direct the question to you, but I'll answer you before I do that. Uma ngithi akusiyona into ekhayini, kunabantu uthola ukuthi into okuthiwa intwaso iyaqala ngaye ukuthwaso ekhaya. Baze bathi why uzothwasa wena ngoba lento asiyenzi ekhaya. Into ekuthiwa intwaso akusiyona yakhayini, that's why ungayithola ekhaya, that's why kumele uphume uyoyithatha ngaphandle. Into ebhekene nobungoma akusiyona yakusekhaya. Intwaso akusisiko lakhayini, that is why izinto zenze ephehlweni akusisiko lasekhaya. Umsuthu uhlaba imbuzi kodwa uyathwasa, abesuthu abahlaba imbuzi bahlaba imvu. Yangizwa ukuthi ngithini? So that shows ukuthi akusisiko lakhayini, akusiyona into yakini. I said to you, I've been doing this for 10 years. And for me to get where I am with this decision, I didn't sleep and wake up with it. I'm saying to you, umsuthu uyahamba uyothwasa uyephehleni, ufaka iphandla, uhamba uyenza ubunguni kanjani? If into yakhayini uyenza kanjani ubunguni umsuthu into engahambelani nalento leyo. Umsuthu urepresentwa yimvu. Baba besuthu, let them speak. Abesuthu ba representwa yimvu, wena representwa imbuzi kanjani mawu yephehlweni? If into asekhaya why mangifike ephehlweni ngenza ubunguni, why ngihlaba imbuzi, why ngifaka iphandla? Abesuthu abayifaka iphandla, abesuthu abayifaka inyongo.
Sikhotheni awuphenduli yazi mntana sekhaya.
I'm answering you.
Okay.
Ubungoma has nothing to do with ilgini. It is not your culture. It is not isiko lakho. It is ubungoma on its own. Now, what you need to tap into is to make us understand ubungoma and nibu separate from ibizo lethu lesiko lesintu. Into eniyenzayo esikweni akusinto eniyenza ubungoma. Those are two different departments. That's what I'm trying to prove to you from the beginning. And that's what you need to understand. And
okay,
I'm still saying, prove to me ukuthi ubungoma bahambiselana nesiko lakhayini. I'll step down, I will bow and say gogo qinisile. Ngikhombisa ukuthi lento eninzi ephehlweni yinto eyesiko lasekhaya kini kokhokho komkhulu eyabikwa ekhaya. There's a difference between isiko, isintu nobungoma. There's a difference between isiko nesintu nobungoma.
To prove you right ukuthi yinto ehambelana nabantu bakithi abangasekho, it's because of wena abantu uqeda ukungitshela ukuthi uDlamini isibongo sakho, and kunama rituals ayenziwayo emsamo kaGobela enziwa abantu bakubo kaGojwana emsamo, right? Then sibuye sikuthathe wena ezusikhotheni siyoguqisa emagulubeni sithi sizofaka abani idlozi la ekhaya silibeke lapha emsamo sithi simlethile umntana nobunyanga balapha ekhaya. So bese uyabuya uyazicontradicta wena futhi isikhotheni uma ngabe uthi isiko uyabona if ubukwazi ukuhlukanisa isiko lokwelapha ngokwesintu and then bese kuba usiko lwasekhaya ubuzokwazi ukuyiunderstanda lento so wena uthatha lezi zinto uzihlanganise and then bese wena uya disturb kubuye futhi emphakathini uzokhuluma isiko lokwelapha kwesintu uphinde ukhuluma usiko lwasekhaya kini ubusuthu has nothing to do ubunguni amasiko nathi singamazulu sinosiko lwethu kulakwaZulu kanjalo namasuthu kunosiko lamaZulu but mase sikhuluma ngemimoya ukuthi usikhotheni insizwa kaDlamini ikuthumele emagulubeni ukuthi uhambe uyokula ngokwesiko lomnguni ngokamoya sesikhuluma enye into ehlukile engathinti izinto
ZakaDlamini. When you are saying the same thing I'm saying into ehlukile akusisiko lakini akusiye lakini lelo siko sithandwa sami lihlukile ugobela
elakini Tumi
hayi bokoko mani baneqiniso
kanjani
guys baneqiniso
no kusho wena uthi wena uyinsizwa kaDlamini kusho wena uthi uyinsizwa kaDlamini uDlamini ugogo wakho it has nothing to do with isibongo sakho uDlamini lo ugogo wakho right ngofika emagulubeni kaBlamani iyakushahlela lalele okay mara idloze la kabani idloze la kaDlamini uyabona mangabe uyabona to prove mamela mntase uyabona if mangabe bekuthiwa ngiyiprove right mangabe bowuzothi wena uthose mhlambe isibongo esinye bengizosho ukuthi lento ikhuluma i-right but for the fact ukuthi uthi uDlamini ugogo wakho and then has nothing to do with amadlozi uyadliwa
angidliwa babe can I ask you one question i-calling yakho
ngambuza because mina ngiphendula
okay i-calling yakho uzalwa naye ngithi yes uzalwa naye thank you unikwe yilo muntu akunikile which is lokuzele which is odala izulu nomhlaba asimnyeke singamfaka kakhulu futhi now uma idlozi lakho lingena as a new person noma lingena already when une calling.
Okay, kuyahluka ke Tumi nemina ngendlela engizoyichaza
noma lingena because of umusha awunalo ubizo uzalwe nalo lebizo noma unikwe yilo muntu ongene kuwe
ungena vele ukuthi lo muntu vele usekukhethile ngisho ukuthi okay Blamane wena uzokwenza u1 no2 no3 not that ukuthi ungena semdala bese adlozoma kuwe
awukangiphendule i-calling uzalwa nayo usikhotheni makaza ungena kuTumi ungena kuTumi already uTumi une-calling so ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi usikhotheni makazongena kimi ungena uzoyenzani uzongilekelela kule calling noma uza neyakhe i-calling noma uza neyakhe ijeni emele ngihambe ngikuphendula
okay all right this question oyibuze eqaleni abangoma right mangabe ngine calling kusho ukuthi leyo muntu le uyena umuntu vele ongibizele ukuthi angenze leyo umsebenzi wakhe ngokungibiza kwakhe right i-calling iza nomuntu lo oza nesiphiwo kumina ukuthi ngizokwenzani what is my purpose la emhlabeni ukuthi ngizokwenzani
angifuni ke le into engayifuni so ngiyekeleni angifuni ukunikwa mina umuntu ophilayo obekaphila njengami mina ngifuna i-calling le ngizalwe nayo so uningibangiselani uyazi ukuthi wena uthi umuntu lo usubazo
no kanjani guys
I don't want to bash anyone I don't want to bash anyone I'm saying I'm understanding my calling and I'm understanding my gift. I'm a gifted person. That will never change. Whatever that happens, whatever the drama, whatever the trend.
What was your calling?
Take away the fact that I'm a gifted person.
What was your calling? What was your calling, Tansekai?
What is my calling?
Yeah, what is your calling?
My calling is to heal.
Oh.
Yazi kuzo zonke izinto
like eyakho that's yours not eyabantu abadala not angisho uthi wena le calling angisho ize nogogo wakho angisho uDlamini right eze nogogo wakho
ayizana naye
so now mama usebenzisa man ukusebenzisa igift yakagogo wakho right hence uresigna manje ususebenzisa eyakho that's what you saying
Mkhulu Cash wacela umute.
that's what you saying manje ukuthi usebenzise eyakho wena
Guys, mamelani. Ngisebenzisa i-calling enginikwa uNkulunkulu mangisazalwa for mangazi ngisesibelethweni sikamama. I-calling yami le. So i-calling engizoyithi
Guys, we've seen bantu bathwasa and basitshela ukuthi they've repented sebasindisiwe abasahlanganisi ubungoma naNkulunkulu and hey ku-repenta kwakho kusikhothini kube ngidzaba mlonyeni guys kususela omkhulu umsindo mathwasa abogobela everyone is just coming for ugogo Maweni ugogo Sikhotheni rather and some are even saying ukuthi uMaweni umende something kuSikhotheni ukuthi asangane la ngcondweni because it seems like she's really confused ngempilo yakhe. What if she's not confused guys, like seriously vele urepentile ugele and we cannot say ukuthi oh wrong or oh right decision yakhe wonke umuntu uyadendela ama decisions but why kusuka emsindo longaka lapha kuma social media platforms just because urepentile like siyacala kubona umuntu arepenta angagogo oSikhotheni why bantu bamdrega akangaka. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I am signing out. Goodbye.